Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to adjust 2020 Ram 1500 headlights. Start by parking on level ground 8 to 10 feet from a flat wall and mark the headlight centers with tape. Turn the headlights on low beam and measure vertical and horizontal reference points to check aim. Use the adjustment screws on the headlight housing to align beams to your marks, checking symmetry and clearance as you go. You only need basic tools and patience, so gather a tape measure, screwdriver, socket, and a helper if possible, and wear gloves. Clean lenses and remove dirt that changes beam pattern, then check tire pressure and vehicle load to ensure realistic aim. Work on low beam and note factory cutoffs, making small clockwise or counterclockwise adjustments and rechecking beams after each turn until both headlights match and illuminate the road evenly. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: I enjoyed a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that changed how I think about money and road priorities, and it pairs well with DIY savings on car maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals. Consider grabbing a copy if you want simple financial tips. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Start with both front tires inflated to spec and the gas tank half full, then position the vehicle straight toward the wall. Measure and tape center lines for each headlight, then open the hood and locate the vertical and horizontal adjusters on the housing. Turn adjusters in small increments, check beam height against your marks at each step, and test drive on a dark road to confirm coverage and eliminate glare for oncoming traffic.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.